Good morning, children. So now our children are doing very good English, and I'm seeing your work. I'm checking too, but I'm little slow in checking. But they are doing wonderful job. All children are submitting the work, but still there are few left behind. I want everybody to come forward with all their work so that you know that next month we are having your exams. So you must finish your work and submit your work on time so that we can check your work. Okay? Now today you have to write a paragraph on summer season. Now children, as I told you, when you write a paragraph, you should always write after leaving the first line 2 fingers gap and then start the paragraph. And please don't write in lines. You have to write a paragraph means there are not to be, you don't have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 as lines. You have to write a paragraph of about 10 to 12 sentences about summer season. And when we give you a topic, a general topic like summer season, my family, or my new class, you all have to write in present tense. Because we are telling you to write about summer season means अभी summer season कैसा होता है, हुआ नहीं, चला नहीं गया, अभी है. So when the thing is now in the present, you have to write about present tense only. Now summer season, you can always write what do you do in summer season. It is very hot in summer season. It is the sun is right on the top of your head. There are a lot of fruits you get in summer season which you eat. There are mangoes, watermelon, melons, papaya, grapes, and you should eat more fruits in summer season because you feel very hot. And when you feel hot, lot of water in the form of sweat comes out of your body. So your body requires lot of water. Lot of water intake should be there in the form of watery fruits as well as water. So you can write about summer season, about fruits, about vegetables you eat, about indoor games you play. You remain indoors and you get up early in the morning because in the morning time it is very fresh. You feel good, and most of the time you remain inside your house with your coolers, fans, and less ACs, because nowadays you don't have to use ACs because of the COVID. And this is a message given to you, though I could have told you to use lot of ACs at this time, but yes, you should avoid because of the virus. Because this virus, it generates or it spreads with the circulation of air inside the room. So you can write about summer season, about the games, the indoor games you play with your parents or with your friends. Maybe what all you are doing nowadays. It's a holidays only, and now the holidays are with what? With summer season, with summer. So let me see what all you can write about it, and I'm giving you some clues of fruits, vegetables, about you may go for the swimming eventually once everything is fine, or you take bath twice a day in summer season. So you write whatever best you feel nowadays, and let me see how you come up with the paragraph. See, now the children are playing indoor games. So you play indoor game, play Ludo, you play chess, you play a lot other games, but not mobile games, because mobiles are always with you in the studies time, so you should avoid mobiles when you are playing games. And you do help your parents during summer season with their work, because when you are free and your mother is working, so you feel important, you feel good if you help her. And you wear light clothes in summer season, you wear cotton clothes in summer season, and you wear light colors, because bright colors like very bright red and black colors don't give it doesn't soothe your nerves. It doesn't give you a pleasant feeling. So you always would like to wear light cotton clothes. And let me see how you come up with the paragraph. You can even paste some pictures of summer season, like what type of fruits do you eat during summer season, and what type of weather you find in summer season. And as when you used to come to the school, remember when there used to be the prayer time, we used to talk about these. How is the weather today? Is it sunny or is it windy? So you can write about the weather conditions nowadays also in your paragraph, and come up with nice 10 to 15 lines so that you sum up well about the summer season. Look at the clothes. You wear light cotton clothes in summer season. You wear and you do take baths twice a day because you feel hot. So when you are working and when you are playing in summer season, you sweat, and when you sweat you have to rehydrate yourself. You should take a lot of water. You should take juices. You should take cold juices, watermelon juice, maybe mango juice, or lime juice, because lime is very good in summer season. If you take lime, that cleans your body also. And you should take sugar too, because you are small children, your body needs sugar intake also. See the kind of clothes you can wear it in the summer season. You can go for the beaches. People do go for beaches, Now that you stay in a place where there is no beach, but there are places like Mumbai and Goa. People go to the beaches in summer season, and it is very refreshing. So these are some of the clothes which you use in summer season. And you use big hats also. Why do you use hats? You use hats so that you cover up your head from that scorching heat of sun. So you can just take these clues and can write a paragraph, nice paragraph, and can paste or draw pictures. See, I would always like you to draw a picture right in the topmost half page of your notebook, and from after finishing the picture, pasting and the drawing, you can start the paragraph. And the more you write, I feel better, you will be able to express yourself better. You will be able to have a grasp over the language, English language. You will be able to form nice sentences, and you will feel confident, because then it becomes easier for you to even answer the questions which are given of the lesson. So the more you write about different topics, the more easy it becomes for you to catch up with the English language. And I think there's another picture coming to you is cool summer drinks. I told you about the drinks. You can take a lot of drinks. You can have pomegranate juice, you can have lemon juice. So many juices are there. You can see, you can use all these, cherry juice and mango juice. How many of you are eating mangoes nowadays? You are getting good mangoes, and there are so many varieties of mangoes which you get in India, especially in Delhi and Haryana. You have, if you know some varieties of mangoes which you eat, you must refer about them. And these juices always give you very refreshing feeling when you take, and they are good for digestion also, because you are reading in your EVS about food which gives you good strength and which makes you healthy. Okay, so these are the different cool summer drinks which you take in the summer season. And I hope you can write a good paragraph with nice sentences and in present form. Please don't write past tense. Because when you are, I told you right in the beginning, when you write a paragraph about a thing which has been there in present form, you should write it in present form only, not in past tense. Past tense comes only when some topic is given which has already happened. So this is a topic which is a general topic.